Hi everyone, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and this is day 5 of our bathroom vlog. So today's list of things I want to get accomplished are I need to fur out this wall about 5/8 of an inch. I'm going to add plywood strips on every stud and every plate. The reason for that is that there's quite a space, I showed you this yesterday, quite a space between the tub and the wall. So basically the room is built wider than 5 feet, plus the tub is just a little bit undersized. And this is pretty common, honestly. And like I said yesterday, a lot of times you can get away with just centering the tub and it'll work out, but in this case I couldn't. So I placed it right tight on this side, and we'll leave the space on this wall. It's the easiest one to deal with. It doesn't have as much stuff in it. And just fur it all out. So that's one of the projects. I've got to put a piece of conduit here. This is the in-floor heat. This is going to be where the thermostat location is. And I need a piece of conduit down to the floor so we can fish the cable up from the heating system afterwards. One of the other projects that's going to take most of the day is this copper pipe here. I'm going to remove this copper pipe basically from this point down to almost to the basement floor. It's getting a little thin, and while I can get at it, I want to change it. So the pipe from there up, which is just the vent, is in good condition, so I'm going to leave that one. Okay, so that's what I've got planned for today, and I'm probably half to 3/4 of a day behind where I thought I was going to be at this point, but that's just what happens when you do renovations sometimes. So we'll check in a little later and see where we made out. Alright, so this is the wrap up of day 5, and everything that I got accomplished today was changing that copper stack that I talked about earlier. And I changed it right down to the floor. Actually, I'll show you that in the lower level here in a minute. I got drywall on the ceiling, and I got these furring strips on this wall. Electrical for the thermostat for the in-floor heat is all done. Plywood's all on the floor. It was a half decent day today. Let me just show you what I did downstairs. So down here, I still got to clean up, but we cut the copper stack off here, and see if I can see all the way up there. Change this stack all the way up, right up to what you see up above in the upstairs in the bathroom. Copper was just getting thin in a couple areas, so got rid of the majority of it. Bit of an ugly job, pretty tight area. So anyways, that was day 5. Tomorrow we're going to get some drywall on the walls and hopefully get some taping done. Talk to you then.